Hi, I'm Elena. Welcome to MUSUBI Kitchen. Today, we are making strawberry Daifuku, a traditional Japanese sweet that captures the feeling of spring. Soft mochi filled with sweet red bean paste and a fresh, juicy strawberry. It's one of those treats you naturally start craving when spring arrives. With its cute appearance, it's perfect for springtime tea break or for welcoming guests. Today, we'll be making it gently on the stovetop. First, let's take a look at the ingredients. Strawberries, red bean paste, shiratamako rice flour, sugar, water, and potato starch for dusting. No special tools are needed. First, prepare the strawberries. Remove the stems. Divide the red bean paste into 6 portions and wrap each strawberry, keeping the tip centered. This helps create a beautiful cross-section when you cut it. Next, let's make the mochi dough. Add the shiratamako to a pot and gradually mix in the water until smooth and free of lumps. Add the sugar and mix well. Place the pot over medium heat and stir constantly with a wooden spatula or rubber spatula. As the dough thickens and becomes translucent, reduce the heat to low. When it turns glossy and comes together into one smooth mass, it's ready. Place the dough on a work surface dusted with potato starch. Lightly dust the top as well. Then divide the dough into 6 pieces. Gently flatten each piece into a round and place the strawberry-filled bean paste in the center. Wrap the dough around the filling and seal it, keeping the seam side down. If you want to show a clean cross-section, use a sharp knife and cut straight through in one smooth motion. The contrast between the red strawberry and the white mochi is just beautiful. Now let's plate the Daifuku. Today we are using a soft pink plate that's perfect for springtime hospitality. This is Mino ware plate, and each one is shaped by hand, so no 2 pieces are exactly the same. The gentle, slightly milky pink glaze softly highlights the white mochi of the strawberry Daifuku. Its small size makes just right for serving Japanese sweets or little treats, and it's perfect for a spring tea time. Alright, let's give it a try. The mochi is soft and tender with a cream bite, and the gentle sweetness of the red bean paste pairs perfectly with the tartness of the strawberry. Strawberry Daifuku is a perfect seasonal sweet to make and share. I hope you try it at home. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you again in the next video.